What is the best substitute for r22 refrigerant gas? Let's start by saying that r22 is still present in equipment with a useful working life ahead of it. But when they work with this gas, they are machines with drawbacks for future refrigerant recharge, since their use is currently prohibited, due to causing depletion of the ozone layer. Equipment owners are seeking to modernize their systems with the use of an alternative refrigerant, which allows their machines to work for more years. Quick comparison of substitute refrigerants for r22. 1. In air conditioning equipment, the most likely alternative for a retrofit is r-407C refrigerant. 2. You should know that there is a small penalty in capacity and efficiency. 3. An oil change must be carried out, since r-407C works with PO oil. 4. For medium and low temperature equipment, the change to r-407A is more recommended. 5. The change to r-407A requires oil change, since it works with PO oil. 6. Both with r-407A and r-407C. The mass flow rates are very similar to r22, and it rarely requires a change of the original expansion valve. 7. R-407C is widely distributed and reasonably priced. As such, the industry has seen R-407C as the most common replacement for R-22 in comfort cooling applications. 8. R-417 is also a valid replacement alternative and does not require an oil or component change, although the cooling capacity and efficiency penalty is greater compared to R-407C. 9. The R-434A refrigerant is a replacement for R-22, without changing the oil or equipment components, but with a significant reduction in capacity. 10. Another widely used replacement alternative for R-22 refrigerant is R-422D. 11. R-422D gas has the advantage of not requiring an oil change in the system. As a disadvantage, it has a GWP greater than 2500, which can harm large loads in later years, in addition to a 10% loss of performance. 12. The R-438A replacement refrigerant is compatible with alkylbenzene and polyester mineral lubricants. Therefore, the substitution does not require a change of lubricant in most cases, nor does it require a change of part of the equipment, but as a disadvantage, a greater loss of efficiency. 13. Note that some elastomer seals tend to leak after a refrigerant change, because R-22 has the most aggressive swelling influence on these seals, so after conversion the seal will effectively shrink. To avoid leakage, it is recommended to replace all of them. 14. Another substitute refrigerant for R-22 gas is R-422A refrigerant. 122A. 15. R-422A is a non-azeotropic mixture, recommended to replace R-22 in low and medium temperature applications. 16. R-422A refrigerant is compatible with new and traditional lubricants, including mineral oil, alkylbenzene oil and polyester oil, so most retrofits do not require an oil change. 17. R-422A has a global warming potential GWP of 3,143. This affects its availability in the short term. 18. Its efficiency values at low temperature are acceptable. On screen we are showing the R22 refrigerant gas pressure table for various temperature values.